What if I told you the secret to authentic Christianity could be summed up in one word? Stay tuned to discover how this simple concept can transform your faith and impact the world around you. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Christian faith, love. Jesus sets love as the primary outward sign of a person's Christian faith. This isn't just any kind of love, but specifically the love between those who claim to be his followers. It's the gold standard for living out Christian belief and the means by which believers are to distinguish themselves from non-believers. As Paul expresses in 1 Corinthians chapter 13, nothing is commendable unless it's done out of love. Let's reflect on verses 1 through 3. If I speak in the tongues of men and of angels, but have not love, I am only a resounding gong or a clanging cymbal. If I have the gift of prophecy and can fathom all mysteries and all knowledge, and if I have a faith that can move mountains, but have not love, I am nothing. If I give all I possess to the poor and surrender my body to the flames, but have not love, I gain nothing. These powerful words emphasize that without love, even the most impressive spiritual gifts and sacrificial acts are meaningless. It's crucial to understand that love must be pursued truthfully and with good judgment. This isn't a call for blind or misguided affection. The scriptures provide guidance on this. Ephesians chapter 4, verse 15 encourages speaking the truth in love. John chapter 7, verse 24 reminds us to judge with righteous judgment. 1 John chapter 3, verse 18 exhorts us to love not just in word or speech, but in action and truth. Despite the need for truth and judgment, we must remember that love cannot be set aside under any circumstances. It's not an optional extra or a secondary consideration in our faith. Love is central, essential, and non-negotiable in the Christian walk. So, how will you make love the defining characteristic of your faith today? I challenge you to reach out to someone in your life, whether it's a friend, family member, or even a stranger, and show them love in a tangible way.